Morning. Today we are going to learn the topic present continuous tense. This topic is same for the 9th and 10th class. The formula of this topic is subject plus is am are plus first form of the verb with ing plus object. I is used with am and is used with he, she, it. Any name, for example Ram, Sita, any singular noun is used with is. Next, they, we, you, or any plural noun is used with are. There are some catchwords, or we can say identity words to identify this tense. They are still, in the present time, at this time, at this moment, this evening, this afternoon, this evening, this night, this week, this month, etc. It means there are many words, but these are the main words to identify this tense. Next, we are going to learn some sentences for of this tense. The sentences are in the affirmative form. They are playing football at this moment. The word at this moment is the catchword, and this shows that this sentence is in the continuous form. Next, she is drinking coffee still. It means that coffee is not complete, she is still drinking. The work is continuing, going. I am writing articles this evening. You are shopping in that market still. It means that shopping is not completed, the work is going on. The poet is writing poem in the present time. These are some examples in the affirmative sentence. Next, we will study the negative sentence. The formula of this tense is subject plus is am are plus not plus first form of the verb with ing plus object. For example, they are not playing football. She is not drinking coffee. I am not writing articles. You are not shopping in that market. The poet is not writing poem. This sentence gives the negative sense, therefore they are called as negative sentences. Next, integrative sentences. Integrative sentences are of two types. First, HV integrative sentence. HV means helping verb integrative sentences. And next are WH integrative sentences. The words we started from WH words. Next, the helping verb integrative sentences. It means the words, the sentence which is starting from the helping verb. Is, am, are the helping verb, and all these sentences are starting with these helping verbs. The answer is in yes or no form. The formula of this sentence is am, are plus subject plus first form of the verb with ing plus object plus integrative mark or question mark. The question mark denotes that this sentence is in the integrative form. Next, the examples are they playing football? Is she drinking coffee? We are asking the sentence in the yes or no form. Is she drinking coffee? The answer will be yes or no. It means it is HV integrative sentences. Am I writing articles? Are you shopping in that market? Is the poet writing poem? All these answers of these sentences will be yes or no. Next is WH integrative sentences. It means the sentence which start from the WH word. The formula of this word is WH word plus is, am, are plus subject plus first form of the verb with ing plus question mark plus object plus question mark. Where are they playing football? The word where wants to answer the place. He wants to know the place, which place they are playing. When is she drinking coffee? The answer of this sentence is not in the yes or no form. It wants the time. When am I writing articles? Next, where are you shopping? When is the poet writing poem? Thank you.